Oh my god, dude. What do you think? Yeah? Hey guys, welcome back to Orchard Performance. So today we've got a bit of a fun video for you. We're going to be installing some aero mods in my 2014 Hyundai Genesis Coupe. I've been so excited for this day for so long. I've been sitting on each and every single one of these parts for like months on end. Finally got everything I need. We're going to be installing everything today, hopefully in one shot and hopefully with no snags, but we'll see if that ends up happening. Join us here for the ride, guys.
Demons, it's me, your boy.
We got the spoiler here. We got this from primespeed.ca, a gentleman out in London, Ontario that followed us on Instagram. By the way, follow us _origin_performance. This is gonna be the unboxing of it. We're gonna hopefully install it on my Jenny and see how she looks. This is my first time seeing it, so I'm super excited. It came in really nice packaging, which is nice. It didn't come from very far, but I guess it's reassuring for anybody that doesn't live in Ontario. Oh, it's so light, dude. There's my spoiler. This thing is beautiful. Oh, I'm so excited to put this thing on.
You got the carbon one?
I think so.
Is there options or no? Is it all carbon?
I think they were either carbon fiber or fiberglass. These are my side wings. Solid. So put these aside for now. Prime Speed also sent us a little goodie bag here. Got a bunch of stickers. What else is in here? Oh, nice. A few lanyards.
I'll take one.
Yeah, hell yeah. Oh, they're attached. Oh, what? Heck yeah. Thanks, Prime Speed.
Thank
Appreciate
you, Prime
it.
Speed.
Included is all of the brackets I'm gonna need. I believe these are adjustable brackets, and then the other hardware. So from what I can tell, there's 6 holes. We don't need to use all 6. We go 1, stay. 1, 2.
So first of all, what you'll notice wasn't included was a set of instructions. And to be honest, I really wouldn't recommend this spoiler to somebody who's maybe not experienced with car modding in general, but luckily it isn't the most difficult to figure out. And I'm not gonna sit here and say that me and Diego are PhD candidates or anything, but if you put those wrinkles in your brain to good use, it should be pretty easy to figure out. That being said, after unboxing, you're watching Diego and I discuss where exactly we wanted to put those T-brackets, and then it was time to assemble the GT spoiler.
Now that we got all the T-brackets bolted into place, we're gonna get the real brackets on and start mocking up where exactly the spoiler is gonna fit on the car. I am so interested to see if when you tighten this, it doesn't swivel like a motherfucker still.
When it came down to the mounting arms, these little washer-looking fellows were somewhat difficult to line up, especially with one person doing it, so I'd recommend grabbing a friend who isn't operating a camera.
Oh my god, dude. What do you think? Yeah? I fucking love it, man.
Mark the center point of like here.
Okay.
And put painter's tape. And I'll match it with the camera.
Perfect.
So what you just watched us do was mark the exact center point of the spoiler, and we're lining that up with the camera on the trunk, as that's our center mark for the trunk itself. Then at this point, it was just a matter of marking off where the feet actually sit on the trunk to keep the entire thing centered. Then we placed some tape underneath, and it was time to mark where we're actually going to drill the holes. Oh, and in case you're wondering, this is exactly as painful as it looks. And last but not least, it was just a matter of putting that inner trunk liner in, and you already knew it was coming next. Enjoy.
to me. Come over here and say that. What are you doing, Stepjo? You break the pit? Holy shit.
You're gonna have to vacuum your trunk though.
I think so.